guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. So it is part 2 to the Luvme hair review. In my previous video, I did do a review on the bob wig that they sent me. They did send me two, but in this video, we are going to be reviewing the burgundy wig that you guys see there. So this is the Undetectable Invisible Lace Middle Part Glueless wig. The color is in a dark plum. The texture is loose wave. So that is what the lace is looking like. Again, it is undetectable, and the width of the lace is 6 inches. The parting space is about 4 inches, and the width of the parting space is 1 inch. So I'm just showing you guys the hairline is pre-plucked. It did come pre-plucked, and you guys can see those curls. Now on their website it does say that the density of the wig is about 150, but I'm thinking this is more on the 180 side, and I just ran my fingers through it to see, like, you know, to test the shedding and everything. It did shed a little bit, but that's fine, it's expected. So this wig did come with 3 combs, 2 at the sides, 1 in the nape area, and it did come with adjustable straps, of course, and an elastic band. Look how bouncy that wig is, you guys. It's so pretty and thick. So it did come with a user guide / care card or care booklet, and also a return and refund policy. It did come with some goodies. It came with the Luvme hair scarf or hair tie. It also came with a compact mirror, really cute and shiny and pretty. It did also come with an edge brush. We all need those to lay them edges. And of course it came with wig caps, 2 pieces. And lastly, it came with the storage mesh bag to, of course, store your wigs in. So let's go ahead and install. This install is going to be just like the previous video. So if you guys are interested on how I install the wig, just go ahead and keep watching. I'm not going to be speaking. Just go ahead and keep watching, and I will be back with you guys for the review. in love with this hair, you guys. Like, the lace is like really well. This color, I love this color. I am obsessed with this type of hair color. My real hair at a certain point in time was this hair color. The hair is really soft. The curls, like, it curled beautifully. The luster, it's not too shiny, it's not too dull. This wig is just gorgeous. Like I said before, I don't believe that this is a 150 density. I think this is more on the 180 side. Yeah, I love this wig. I give it a 10 out of 10. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, the link to this beautiful wig will be down below along with the code, so you guys can use that code for money off. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one, and always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.